Hello everyone, Gerard here. On this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to update your AdSense status for those living outside of the US with regards to tax requirements. So recently, an announcement was made to creators via email in connection to their AdSense account saying, "We're reaching out because Google will be required to deduct US taxes from payments to creators outside of the US later this year, as early as June 2021. Over the next few weeks, we'll be asking you to submit your tax info in AdSense to determine the correct amount of taxes to deduct, if any apply. If your tax info isn't provided by May 31, 2021, Google may require to deduct up to 24% of your total earnings worldwide." So breaking it down, it says as early as June 2021. So perhaps it's not exactly in June yet, but nevertheless, for purposes of timeliness, Google set a conservative deadline. In the next sentence, they will be requiring AdSense users to submit tax info in order to determine the tax. Now, the amount of tax to be collected is not yet exact. Take note of the phrase, "if any apply" also. Then finally, if you failed to provide your tax info before the set deadline, notice the phrase which says may be required to deduct up to 24%. This means that Google could potentially use a tax rate ranging from 0% to 24%. Then reading further through the email, you are given more information and instructions on the appropriate course of action. For more details with regards to this announcement, you can check out this video right here. I will link it in the description below. Now let's proceed to the process of applying or updating your tax information. So log in to your AdSense account, then go to Payments, then click the Add Tax Info button. You will then be given guided questions. The first question is what type of account you are maintaining. In my case, it is individual. Next is confirming if you are a citizen or a resident of the United States. You will then be given a choice which form would be used for your application. In my case, I chose W-8BEN as I would want to claim tax treaties. You will then be redirected to another page where you are going to accomplish Form W-8BEN. Choose the country applicable to you. Now the foreign TIN, this actually pertains to your local tax identification number. For the address, you can use the billing address that was verified for your AdSense account. Click Next, then you will proceed with claiming a tax treaty. If you declared a foreign tax identification number and the country that you are in has a tax treaty with the US, you will be prompted with the applicable articles of the tax treaty. So select the country. In my case, it's Philippines. Now notice when I check the box of services which pertains to AdSense, Article 8, Paragraph 1 will be shown. You can verify the tax treaties in two ways, by going to the website of the IRS, then looking for the tax treaty applicable to your country. The other one, in my case, is going to the website of our local tax authority, which is the BIR. Then also looking for the same tax treaty in my application. For motion pictures and TV, which pertains to YouTube and Google Play, the applicable rate is 15%. This is also the same with the case of the other copyright category. After filling out the form W-8BEN, you will be asked to recheck all the fields that you filled up. So this is my filled out form. So after checking all the inputs for correctness, check the confirmation, then click Next. You will now be certifying that all information declared in the accomplished form is true, correct, and complete. Affix your full name, click Yes, then click Next. Lastly, you need to also check if you are providing tax info for either receive or yet to be received payment. Check the appropriate one, then finally hit the Submit button. With that, your status has been updated as approved. And that's it. So if you found this video very helpful, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell because it helps me create more videos similar to this one. So this is Gerard. I'll talk to you in the next one.